Let us neighbor steps assume root 5 is rational. Root 5 is rational. Right, first step right. Don't miss any step. Let us assume 5 root 5 is rational and root 5 rational అనుకున్నాం. rational అంటే fraction form. rational is nothing but a fraction form. Next let root a by b is root a by b is integers where a and b also co-primes. Yes, co-primes. Here yes, no, integers and a square by b square is equal to a square by b square is integers where a and b are co-primes. Example here see it 8 by 4 can be divided 4 2s 4 1s. This is 2 by 1. 2 by 1 is a by b and 8 by 4 is a square by b square. A square by b square. A square by b square. There is no further simplification for a and b. That's why those are co-primes. And next, to rationalize root 5 we have to do sparing on both sides. SOP sparing on both sides. Then root by 5 square is equal to a by b whole square. Then a by b whole square. Then what about mundu pettunde a by b whole square? What happens? Now tell me. You will have to tell. Now what happens? Now what happens? Root 5 will become root and square root and root cancel. You have here we get to integer. 5 by 1 is integer. Here we get to a square by b square. A square by b square. Then a square is equal to how much? A 5b. If you cross multiply, what will happen? Cross multiplication. 5b square is equal to a square. This is equation 1. This is equation 1. Let another integer. Let another integer. ఏమనుకున్నావు? Tell me. ఏమనుకున్నావు? A square is equal to 5. A is equal to 5c. Another integer. A is equal to 5c. Where to rationalize to sparing on both sides. We get to what we get to? Tell me. Participate rhetorical questions. Squaring on both sides. A square is equal to 5c square. Then what happens? Tell me. A square is equal to 25 c square. In the place of a square, what we get in equation 1? What would you get to? A square is equal to 5 by B square, we get it. In the place of A square, we substitute this 5B square. 5B square is equal to 25C square. 25C square. 5 so much? 5 so much? 5 so 25. B square is equal to 5C square. 5C square. Then this 5 will come this side and divides. C square is equal to, therefore C square is equal to B square by 5. What happens in the two cases? Here what happens? A can divide. A divides what can divide? A can divide or 5 can divide?
5 can divide both A and A.
5 can divide
Both A and A.
5 can divide both A and A square. Here write down 5 can divide. 5 divides A square and 25. Suppose 25 means 25 by 5 is equal to 5 so 25. And again 5, this 5 also divided by this 5. That's why 5 also divides A also. 5 also divides A. 5 also divides A. Both A square and A are divided by 5. Here also 5 can divide what can? Here also what happens? Here also 5 divides B square and B also. Therefore what happens? Then the number will become as integer. What happens? B square is integer and here A square is also an integer. We know that what happens? We know that what happens? Root 5 is and 5 can divide B square and B. Here 5 can divide A square and A. In both cases we divide integers. But these are the co-primes. A by B are co-primes. But we know what we know. Root 5 is irrational. But we know root 5 is irrational. So our assumption is wrong. Our assumption is wrong. Our assumption is wrong. What we have taught in school? First 5 divides A square and 5 also divides in the same way. Here what I have told, at a time I have told two equations. 5 can divide B square by B square and B, and 5 can divide A square and A. So our assumption is wrong. Okay na? I understood. 8 by 4